What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Mercedes GLC300. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery. If we take our key fob and look at the back of it, we're going to notice that there's a button right here. Now we're going to push and hold down this button with our thumb, and we're going to take out the emergency key, okay? Once we have the emergency key taken out, we're going to press and hold that button again with our left side. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull or slide this back cover off key fob, okay? It can be kind of hard to get. They can be stuck, so hopefully we can get it. We might have to use a flathead screwdriver with this guy. Let's see here. Okay. But once you get it, so I can show you that again, I used my two fingers like this and pulled it off, pulled it this way. Okay. Okay, and it ends up looking like that. We can just pull it off. Okay, it snaps on and off. All right. Ugh. All right, like that. Now when we have it like this, the battery's located in this part of the remote, and we have to use a flathead screwdriver to pull this out. We're gonna stick it right here in this crack that's right here. Give it a little twist. You notice how it comes out. Okay, it doesn't matter which way you twist it, but we pull the little holder out. You turn it over. Here's the battery right here, and go ahead and show you what size it is. The new one. Here we have a CR 2032 battery. The positive sign is going to be facing down in this guy. Okay, so we can't see what it says anymore, like that. Flip it over like this. It'll go back in like that. Push it all together. If you need a battery, check the link down in the description box. I'll take an Amazon where you can pick up a battery pretty quick. Stick that back on here. We just click it back on. Emergency key goes back in. And we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like and leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.